Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
That is all.
Well, that's all for now for this quick video on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. I know we already posted this one, but I actually wanted to do it in 1080p 60 frames per second, so I recorded it 2 different times, and I actually think this one's a little clearer, so leave me a comment, let me know what you think. But please remember to also check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, be sure to check out Victor Naraki at CelebratingFlorida.com or Facebook.com/NarakiRealtor if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida, and tell them that Resort TV 1 sent you. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.